Okay, morning everybody. Let's have a look at the markets. On the JSE daily, resistance at the 127. We've moved down below the green moving average. That's the 11. So we moved into zone 2. We're now moving into zone 3. We'll have to look at that end of day. But a close below the red moving average, and our next target is the blue moving average according to that strategy. On the hourly, ABC targets down that we gave yesterday have been reached. There it is. That's where I closed my overnight short. So according to the stochastic, remain short as long as the stochastic stays below its own moving average. Also hit the 11 of the weekly high low. That will change tonight, obviously, as we move into the next week. On the US, this is an interesting one. Been watching this for a while. We're not breaking this 100 of the monthly high low. There's last month's high, resistance again, resistance again. You can see by the numbers we're there. So in the shorter time frame, rounding top, stochastics clearly come off divergence and triggered for a short last night. There it is. I'm watching also for these moving averages to cross over. MACD indicates be short. So a speculative short on the Dow has been triggered. We're above the 100 of the weekly high low. Our target is still the 127, but the critical level on the Dow is this 100 of the monthly high low, 21070. If I move along, we look at the Euro US. I won't go long above the 161.8 of the monthly high low. The extension is far. At some point, we have to pull back down to the blue moving average. So, yeah, on the hourly, I've put an extension fib in. It's the red one. So AB, exactly a 77% retracement, which tells me perfect B. I'm waiting for a close below the 100. That will be my trigger short. On top of that, we got the weekly high lows. Just watch those for levels of support as we go down. On the pound US, that triggered during the early mornings down through the 38 was a trigger short to the 11 was the take profit. Pound yen we called yesterday. We gave that trade out on the hourly, stochastic down through 50 using the weekly high lows as levels of support and resistance. That at the 89 there reached TP. Now we're breaking the 100. If the 100 breaks, it's actually a trigger for a short again. First target being the 127 and second target being the 161. USD ZAR, still this 127 of the weekly high low has been holding now nearly for 2 days. So busy watching that at the moment. And the only reason why I'm really watching that is any signs of weakness there and it could push the Aussie up. So just wrapping up quickly on the Aussie on the 1 hour. Just from a labeling point, we've had this red ABC down, which traditionally should take 1, 2, 3 days. Then we should get to a blue A. So I would expect at some point a bit of a retracement up for a blue B in the form of a red ABC. So I'll be watching that. I'll take the longs on the shorter time frames, MACDs, things like that, but very tight stops, very quick TPs because I know we're trading a retracement and I don't know quite how far that retracement is going to be. That's it for the morning. Be back on Monday.